Buying a used car sounds simple until you face one big question. Should you buy a used petrol car or a used diesel car? A lot of people make this decision based on only one thing, fuel cost. And that can be a very expensive mistake. A diesel car may look cheaper to run because it gives better mileage, but repairs can be costly. A petrol car may seem less powerful, but it can save you a lot of money in the long run. The truth is, the right choice depends on your mileage, driving habits, maintenance costs, resale value, and most importantly, the condition of the used car you're buying. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which option makes more sense for your budget and your driving style. The used car market is full of both petrol and diesel options, and that's exactly why so many buyers get confused. On one side, diesel cars are famous for fuel efficiency and long-distance driving. On the other side, petrol cars are often cheaper to buy, easier to maintain, and less risky for the average driver. Many people focus only on fuel economy when comparing the two. But that's not how smart used car buying works. To make the right decision, you need to look at the complete picture. We're talking about purchase price, mileage, maintenance, engine life, repair costs, resale value, city driving, highway driving, and long-term ownership costs. Once you understand these factors, the answer becomes much clearer. Let's start with the basic difference. Petrol engines are generally smoother, quieter, and lighter. They are usually a better fit for short trips, city driving, and people who don't drive very far every month. Diesel engines are typically stronger and more fuel efficient. They produce more torque, which helps when carrying loads, climbing hills, or spending long hours on highways. However, diesel engines are also more complex. And complexity often means higher repair costs, especially when you're buying a used vehicle. If we simplify it, petrol usually means smoother driving, lower maintenance costs, and better suitability for low usage. Diesel usually means better mileage, stronger pulling power, and better suitability for high usage. But the real difference starts to appear when ownership costs enter the picture. Let's talk about the purchase price. In many markets, used petrol cars are often cheaper than comparable diesel models. One reason is that diesel vehicles are popular among high-mileage drivers who value fuel economy, which can increase demand. Of course, this depends on the brand, model, age, and local market conditions. A used petrol car often requires a smaller upfront investment. A well-maintained diesel car may cost more, but that doesn't automatically make it a bad purchase. At the same time, buyers should be very careful with older diesel cars that seem unusually cheap. Sometimes a low price hides expensive mechanical problems. A diesel vehicle may look like a bargain today, but if major repairs are waiting around the corner, it can quickly become a financial headache. That's why choosing based only on the sticker price is rarely a good idea. Now let's talk about fuel economy, because this is where diesel usually shines. Diesel engines are generally more fuel efficient than petrol engines, especially during highway driving and long-distance travel. That's one reason why taxi drivers, delivery drivers, and frequent travelers often prefer diesel vehicles. But fuel savings only matter if you actually drive enough to benefit from them. If you're covering 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers every month, diesel savings can become significant. But if you're only driving 300 to 700 kilometers per month, those savings may be too small to justify the extra maintenance risks. And that brings us to an important reality. Diesel often saves money at the fuel pump, but petrol can save money at the workshop. Maintenance is where many used car buyers learn expensive lessons. In general, petrol cars are cheaper and simpler to maintain. Parts are often less expensive, and mechanics are usually more familiar with them. Diesel cars can include costly components such as turbochargers, injectors, high-pressure fuel pumps, Egger valves, DPF filters, glow plugs, and other specialized parts. When a diesel car is brand new, these systems may not be a major concern, but when you're buying a used diesel vehicle, some of these parts may already have significant wear. And this is where many buyers make the biggest mistake. They save money on fuel and then spend a huge amount on diesel repairs. What about engine life? Diesel engines have a reputation for lasting longer, and there is some truth to that. They are generally built stronger and operate at lower RPM, which can contribute to long-term durability. Many diesel engines are capable of running for hundreds of thousands of kilometers when maintained properly. But here's the part people often forget. Condition matters more than fuel type. A neglected diesel engine can be far worse than a well-maintained petrol engine. Whenever you're inspecting a used vehicle, check the service history, oil change records, cold start behavior, exhaust smoke, engine noise, turbo performance, and any signs of leaks. A diesel engine can absolutely last longer, but only if the previous owner took care of it. And while petrol engines may not have the same heavy-duty reputation, they can still provide many years of reliable service and are often easier and cheaper to repair. Now let's look at how these vehicles behave in everyday city driving. Most city driving involves short trips, traffic jams, stop-and-go movement, slow speeds, and frequent engine starts. This is where petrol cars usually have the advantage. They warm up faster, feel smoother, and generally handle short journeys better. Modern diesel engines often prefer longer drives where they can reach proper operating temperatures. Vehicles equipped with DPF systems can experience issues if they're constantly used for short city trips. For office commutes, family errands, school runs, and occasional driving throughout the week, petrol is usually the safer option. If most of your driving happens inside the city, a used petrol car is often the smarter choice. Highways tell a different story. This is where diesel engines really show their strengths. Diesel engines produce more torque, which means stronger pulling power. That extra torque helps with overtaking, climbing hills, carrying passengers, and maintaining comfortable cruising speeds over long distances. Diesel vehicles also tend to deliver better mileage during highway travel, helping reduce fuel expenses. If you regularly travel between cities, drive long distances every day, or use your vehicle for business purposes, diesel can make a lot of sense, but only if the vehicle has been properly maintained. Before buying a used diesel, pay close attention to the engine condition, turbocharger, injectors, and service records. For long-distance drivers, diesel can be a fantastic option, but maintenance history matters. Another factor many buyers overlook is resale value. Resale depends on local demand, fuel prices, government regulations, emissions rules, and buyer preferences. In some areas, diesel vehicles maintain strong resale value because people appreciate their efficiency. In other areas, diesel demand is declining due to stricter emissions regulations and concerns about repair costs. Petrol cars are often easier to sell in urban areas because they are simpler, quieter, and more practical for personal use. Before buying any used vehicle, check local registration rules, diesel age restrictions, and future regulations in your area. A cheap diesel car today could become difficult to sell tomorrow if local rules change. Now let's discuss one of the most important parts of buying any used vehicle: inspection. For petrol cars, pay attention to engine noise, oil leaks, overheating, gear changes, air conditioning performance, suspension condition, service records, accident history, and whether the mileage appears genuine. For diesel cars, inspect everything above and then look even deeper. Watch for black smoke, white smoke, hard starting, unusual turbo noises, injector sounds, excessive vibration, warning lights, eager problems, clutch wear, fuel leaks, and diesel smells. And no matter what vehicle you're buying, always bring a trusted mechanic or arrange a professional inspection. Never buy a used diesel simply because the mileage figures look attractive. First, find out why the owner is selling it. Because in the used car world, condition is far more important than whether the engine runs on petrol or diesel. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you drive only 500 kilometers per month. In that situation, diesel fuel savings may be relatively small while maintenance risks remain higher. For that driver, petrol usually makes more sense. Now imagine someone driving 2,000 kilometers per month, mostly on highways. In that case, fuel savings become much more meaningful. If the vehicle is in good condition, diesel may be the better financial choice. The smart way to decide is to calculate your monthly mileage, fuel costs, maintenance expenses, insurance costs, repair risks, resale value, local regulations, and how long you plan to keep the car. A simple rule often works surprisingly well. Low running usually favors petrol. High running usually favors diesel. City driving usually favors petrol. Highway driving usually favors diesel. So what's the final verdict? For most buyers, a used petrol car is usually the safer option. If your driving is mostly in the city, your monthly mileage is relatively low, you want lower maintenance costs, smoother driving, less repair risk, and peace of mind, petrol is often the better choice. It's also a great option for first-time used car buyers. On the other hand, a used diesel car can be an excellent choice if you drive long distances, spend a lot of time on highways, have high monthly mileage, need strong pulling power, and have found a vehicle with a proven maintenance history. The key is making sure the car has been cared for properly and understanding the potential repair costs that come with diesel ownership. For most normal family buyers, a used petrol car is usually the safer bet. But for high mileage highway users, a well-maintained used diesel car can still be the smarter option. And remember this one simple rule: don't buy a fuel type. Buy condition, service history, and the right vehicle for your driving style. Check your monthly driving habits. Think about whether you spend more time in the city or on the highway. Review maintenance records carefully. Get the vehicle inspected before handing over your money. And never rush into a purchase simply because the price seems attractive. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to buy a petrol car or a diesel car? Choose wisely today so your used car doesn't become an expensive mistake tomorrow.